as hot, dry conditions fan flames across the West. A critical moment for the air attack. Tonight in Prescott, Arizona, a drone has halted air operations for the second time. Just last week, investigators say Gene Carpenter flew his drone into restricted airspace, forcing all 14 aircraft to the ground.
We've got homes threatened. We have firefighters on the ground that are threatened. We can't do anything aerially to support these folks.
The 54-year-old, who declined comment, charged with 14 felony counts of endangerment. Authorities say they suspect Carpenter in part because he posted these aerial photos online.
If you fly, we can't fly. And what that does is that puts those firefighters at risk on the ground.
Officials say recreational drones are a growing problem for fire commanders across the country, with at least 50 incidents over the last 2 years alone. And tonight, as wildfire season heats up, there are more than 30 large wildfires burning across the West. And it's not just fires. Drones pose a threat to everything from commercial airlines to infrastructure. This one falling from the sky into a pack of cyclists. In February, a drone pilot in Seattle was sentenced to 30 days in jail after his drone struck a woman in the head at a pride parade in 2015. Tonight in Prescott, where a community is still reeling from the tragic loss of 19 firefighters who died here 4 years ago, an urgent call to ground drones before there's another disaster. Miguel Almaguer, NBC News, Los Angeles.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.